like that. No, man, I know it, man. Sometimes I serve food all the way on a
yeah, that one day I go cut up and share. Come and tell us that they're not buying a sweet like a
on the sweet, alright.
sugar loaf, you know. Pineapple with wow.
Pineapple with wow.
Pineapple with wow. Because everybody have one life to live and people never forget the good way you do for them. No matter how long them live, people always remember the good. Because something could have happened to me where me would have need somebody help and him would have be the first one to run and help me and I would even know why. And me not remember him but him remember me, so look on that. That blessing. Here you go, right on time. Of course, I'm not so early. Wait. Alright, so there's a 5:30 I'm like 6. There you go. There you go. I can't see you just yeah. Moving nice. It's hot, daddy. Why sweet like a thing? I'm not telling my lie. If I try to keep quiet and I move it, you know, loud. But it is nice. Ketchup. There you go. I know use the supermarket and I don't really know where things in there, but yeah. Alright, I can go back to that side. Yeah. So a big old supermarket, well, you know, big is small, I can't find an egg. No egg. What kind of supermarket is Yeah, I wonder what kind of supermarket is going to egg. We have a supermarket without egg. Alright? We need egg. I see on a real ball them when you drop your foot in this bossy bus. I'll listen me, I'll listen to things like football and something. The man are made in China. By the time you touch it, so it just what if you want it still? We don't know. We just have to say.
Yeah, so try to get on the job with coming in the farm again.
Yeah. You can't hold now. Alright. Put in a trolley. We never see it, alright? We just never see it, so yes. Alright. Sorry guys. Right, it now trouble. Sis, bro. Now there's a snap food all in Sunday. Yeah. I be like nobody can't see nothing. Dead. Alright. 10 years later.